we have intermediate JavaScript. First, we have a working with arrays and objects. First is arrays. Arrays are ordered list of items. And for example, we have let colors. We have red, green, blue, and green. This line let colors red, blue, and green creates a variable named colors assigned. It is an array containing 3 string elements, and this is red, blue, and green. This array can be used to store and access multiple values under one variable name. To print, we have console.log colors, and this is the output, the code execution. We have red, blue, and green.
Next one, we have objects. The example is let cars, curly braces. We have brand, Toyota, and model. We have Corolla. Next is here, 2020. This line, let cars, brand, Toyota, model, Corolla, year 2020, creates a JavaScript object named car with 3 properties. We have brand with the value Toyota, and model and with the value Corolla, and the year with the value of 2020. This object group related data into a single structure useful for representing real-world items like car. To print, we have console.log car, semicolon, run. And this is the code execution. Next is advanced array methods. Common methods are map, filter, reduce, find, sum, and every. For example, we have const numbers equals to 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, we have const doubled. We have numbers that map n is equals or greater than n multiplied by 2. And to print this, we have console.log doubled. We use doubled in this to print this one, to print this line with the solution. Need to run. And this is the code execution. This uses the method to create an array called doubled. The map method goes through each element in the numbers array and applies the function n is equals or greater than n multiplied by 2 to it. It function double each number. So 1 is to 2, and 2 is 4, 3 is 6, and 4 is 8. Next, we have destructuring and spread syntax. Destructuring helps extract values from arrays or properties from objects. For example, we have const first and second equals A and B. And to print, we have console.log first, and next console.log second. This line uses arrays destructuring to assign A is for first and B is for second. Next, you're just pulling values out of an array into separate values in one step. You have this first to print this A and second to print this B. This is the code execution. Next, we have asynchronous JavaScript. JavaScript is a single threaded but can handle async operation using callbacks, promises, and async or await. For example, we have fetch https://api.example.com or /data and that then response equal or greater than response that JSON. Next is then data equal or greater than console dot log data. This make the request network request to this one, the http api.example.com/data. Next, this line. Once the data is fetched, this converts the response into JSON object. Next is this line. After conversion in, it logs the data to console. Next, we have class and object-oriented programming. JavaScript support class syntax for OOP or object-oriented programming. For example, we have class, animal, semicolon, and we have constructor, name, semicolon, that name is equals to name. Then we have speak, and then console.log. That name makes a sound. Then next, we have const dog is equals to new animal. We have dog. And dog that speak. The constructor is a special method used to initialize object created from the class. It accepts a parameter name and assign it to the name property of an object. The method used is the speak method prints a name to the console using the name property object. Next is the usage. In short, this class represents an animal with name and it has method to make animals speak. Next one is the document object model or DOM. The DOM represents the structure of a web. You can use JavaScript to manipulate the DOM. We have example, document that query. Next, we have event handling. Event like click, change, submit, allow interaction. For example, we have document that query selector. Yep. Add event listener. Click equals or greater than alert. In JavaScript, this code selects the element with ID button and sets up a click event so that when it clicks, it shows an alert saying clicked. Best example of this project is to-do list app. Build a basic to-do list with input field and button, display task, mark as complete, and roll task. You can apply DOM or document object model, manipulate and event handling. Lastly, try best practices and recap. Use const and let instead of using var. Keep functional small and reusable, and organize code using modules or classes. You've just leveled up your JavaScript skills. Thank you. Mwah. Psst.